Hello everyone, welcome to this video for the lab where we will take some recordings of the VFD parameters. Okay, so in general when we get into CCW or Connected Components Workbench, you're going to want to find the device toolbox, select your PowerFlex 40 with double clicking. Once you double click on that, it'll open up in the project organizer. I'm going to work inside of the 40_01. So if you click on the PowerFlex that you just created the project for, you can go to connect. When you go to connect, it'll ask you if you'd like to upload the entire device. You should select yes. Once you're online with the VFD, you can then go to the parameters. So clicking on the parameters will bring you to all of the live response or live feed of the actual condition of the parameters. If you're not seeing active numbers, if you're not seeing numbers changing while you're looking at this, you could have been kicked off. So just go back and hit the connect button. So in here you could see a number of things, the output frequency, the output command, the DC voltage bus, things like that. All right, in here you could set up the start source and the speed reference. So this is something we will need to do for this lab. If we're changing the program from the HMI operation to the push button operation, we need to go from the COM port for the HMI screen. Okay, and then 3-wire control is what you need to use for the push button PLC program. So in other words, if you have the PLC program downloaded that is operating with the push button control, which is located on the outside of the cabinet, and you do not have the VFD configured to do that, okay, you will notice that the VFD will not start. So you're going to go to 3-wire and then hit enter. So anytime you change a parameter, especially if you're connected live to the drive, you want to hit enter. That'll help the program cycle to the next parameter and enter the one that you just changed. Here, a couple things worth noting, just off the top of my head, I forgot to mention this. Okay, so when you connect a drive to a motor, the first thing you need to do is set up the nameplate data. So you'll notice here the motor nameplate voltage, hertz, and current is in the drive. If you don't do this correctly, as well as the frequency, you can overspeed or overpower the motor and burn it out. Okay, next is the speed reference. So again, with the push button control program, you should take it out of COM port or drive pot, okay, and go to the 0 to 10 volt input. That'll allow you to use the external potentiometer on the outside of the control cabinet to control the speed of the VFD. Okay, so that's just a couple of things about Connected Components Workbench. Again, uploading from a controller or a VFD will bring the program that's inside out. Downloading will bring the program that you have on your laptop into the VFD or the PLC. All right, please watch this video before coming into lab. Thank you for watching.